Hi guys, it's 12:05 right now, and I was just feeling very unproductive and I was just feeling that I'm not doing anything. So I decided that I would spend the night making something, building like a small project that I had thought. And yeah, I wanted to take you guys along with me. So I was brainstorming on the development of this yesterday about how I can do this, and I'm just thinking I can just vibe code. Yeah, it's basically around food, about management of my meals. I struggle with my meals and planning my meals. So, and then the groceries. So I'm just thinking I'll vibe code this plan where I get my meals, I talk to chatgpt, I tell what I like, my preferences, and then design the actual tool or product or whatever we are trying to make. And then finally, yeah, just make it. So let's talk to ChatGPT about it and see how we can go about it. Then design, and I'll take you guys along with me. Let's also see how fast we can do this so that I can sleep. But right now, the goal is to make something functional, and yeah, it'll be nice. Also, I'm super hungry, so we will order something to go along for the night. Yeah, like we will start clean eating and we will start with our meals soon. But till we can do that, let's order something for the night. So now that that is out of the way, let's first talk to ChatGPT around what we exactly want. Yeah, and maybe also see how we can go about it. So you're ready. So I think we'll have to change the setting because my coding laptop is actually kept there. So yeah, let's switch things up a little bit. Okay, so let's start. I'll tell GPT I had some pointers. So I'll tell GPT what I exactly want and where I am. Beginner, but so please help me out here. So I've told, so what I'm trying to also say is like I'll add some facts so that it can help me get a better understanding of what I can make. Some facts about me are: I am an Indian vegetarian 26-year-old living in Bangalore. I am in fact not 26. I am a picky eater and believe that the food should be colorful. How the food looks actually matters to me, especially the aesthetics of it. I am a performative. Yes, I do acknowledge the fact that I'm a performative individual, and I think that will also actually motivate me to eat better and even like make an effort to do so. So anything that will let me do that, I don't care. Performative individual would want to do. I like posting on social media so that it drives me to eat better, or I don't think it just tired. Chatpata, because I really like chatpata food. Like I genuinely like chatpata food. Okay, Swiggy guy is calling me. Mild break. Okay, I did not expect my food to arrive so early. And yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. I'll finish the prompt and I'll go get my food from the reception. And good and healthy food, so that I've been doing my high metabolism and important life. I also want to make sure I am properly nourished. Now with these basics, can we start on our cooking journey so that I can start cooking? I generally. So what I've told is with these basics, can we start on a cooking journey so that I can start cooking? I've told the timings when I want to cook, like in the evenings, maybe from 6 to 8 for dinner, and I want to indulge in the dinner cooking. For lunch, I really just want to assemble something, and breakfast, maybe put in like half an hour to do that. So that's what I've written in this longish essay. And yeah, I think that's what I've told them. I've also said that I've told ChatGPT, and I've also said that it's okay if we start with like just dinner right now, and later we'll build onto it. But for the tool, we'll build something where I just input the dishes and everything. I would ideally also want to see if we can integrate this with Instagram. Maybe we can like get some Instagram APIs to connect with it, and if I connect my Instagram, then I can just have like a saved collections of all the recipes, and it can start giving me the recipes, or just with every okay, that will be really interesting, that if it can if we'll have like a tool where every meal can just be one Instagram, or even I can sit and decide on one day, it can just connect me with my Instagram food recipes and the food pages that I follow, or I can just feed it once, and it can just give me a collection, and I can select that on this day, and when I open and I want to make breakfast, I can get that this is what you had decided for breakfast from this Instagram recipe, and I'll have like everything there. So let's try to make it. I think it's interesting, not too ambitious, but yeah. And also regarding this prompt, it'll just help me with creating something, but it's a good starting point for the ChatGPT project to understand where I am. I'll actually do this in Claude also, like as a project, because I think Claude will do a better job, at least like as a project. Not saying like I just wanted to have like one chat with, I just wanted to have like one chat with ChatGPT and one project in Claude, I think so. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, I think we might have run into a small problem. Okay, so it's been a while. I should go get my food. I will come back and I will tell Claude what I actually want to build, and then we can start building it. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride. Let's see. The guy was so sweet. He was like, आप लिफ्ट में रखने बोल देते तो मैं रख लेता, आप नीचे क्यों आए? I'm like, it's okay. Okay, so मैं कलो टिक्की goated. I think I'll take a little break. Even though I don't deserve it, it's literally not even been 30 minutes since I started working, and I'm already taking a break. But it's okay. I will not work while eating. I'll just watch a YouTube video or something, and then we'll get back to work, okay? Okay.
When I don't know what is real, when I can't see the horizon before me, I will look up, raise my hands to the heavens, my hope and my refuge. I remember with hands held high that I was made for a love I could never lose. When the world is shaking all around me and the voices raging loud inside, still I will lean on what I know.
So right now Claude is creating like a first prototype for me, React based. Okay, I got an error and this is annoying, but okay, I'll get through it. Actually, I can make this on Lovable. That's not an issue. It's just used for making these websites. But what I want to make, I can brainstorm this on Claude and make it on Lovable, because making this on Claude is annoying and it's also lengthy. So I'll just explain the basic flow to you. The basic flow will be that we will have a setup process where I will set up my Instagram creators, some of the recipes that I want to create. Using AI, we will read the recipe names from the description, and on Sundays we will have an interface. The app will give me a created menu for the next week, and then I can mix and match on what I want and what I don't want based on my creators, the options. So I will have some flexibility there. Yeah, so that's what I'm creating. Let's see how it is, and we will obviously try to beautify it and everything. So let's get back to work. I think some error came on Claude, so I moved to Lovable now. Let's see. If Lovable doesn't work, then we'll move to Manus. Right now, I don't want to use Manus. I don't have the bandwidth.
No pain, no lies could ever separate me from.
Okay, I messed up a little bit. I recorded a whole bit and I did not record. My app is built by Lovable. It created like a lot of new nice things, which I will list and tell you. And also what I want to tell is that, which I had recorded before, is that this is just the prototype. It is not the whole thing. So yeah, Lovable has created meme news, which includes authentication, creator section, recipe library, weekly calendar, filters, and it's mobile first, which is quite interesting. I have 0 free credits remaining, so I really cannot play along with it now. Let's see. So far really good. I don't know why I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now. Like, I don't know why. It's just so scary to see something actually built out for you, which is by yourself. And it's nothing. I did not do anything, and it's just very interesting. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I love this. Okay, let's see. Shift on the Syria. Profile link optional. Okay, let's make the profile link not optional. Let's see. Sorry. Let's go to her profile on Instagram. Let's get the Instagram profile. She actually has a profile. She actually has a website also. So we should let that also add. Okay, good pointer for us. There's an error. Okay, how do I go back? I'm trying not to lose it. Okay, let's try to build something toasted. Some recipe first. Needs to be some recipe. Don't. I lost my credits. Oh god. This was not fun, guys. This was not fun. Okay. It's fine. However, I do want to point out that this was like the initial bit was really good. I loved what we started off with. So I think we can make good progress. What I'll do is like at least we have a good starting base, we have a good starting base of oh my god, I'm losing it because it's not working. It kills me when there's a bug and I will not be able to sleep also now. It's just so annoying. However, what I'll do is I'll download this first and tomorrow I'm gonna work on it and see when it works, etc. I'll keep you guys updated. However, I really like the first bit that has come out of it. And I like the idea, I like the calendar view, I like everything. So great for a first draft. Yeah, I'll just add some bits, I'll remove some bits, and I think I'm happy with the prototype. Let's just be very clear that this was a prototype and nothing more. Now we can just do it with cursor. So yeah, I'll spend some time tomorrow with cursor on making this better. And yeah, that was it for the video, I think. I'll have better frequency. Like I don't want to be putting on, and I don't want to be putting an all-nighter for this anymore because good progress. It's just that I don't see the point. Like I want to be all-nighter for something because it's good progress, and I don't expect Lovable to. Yeah, I want to be all-nighter for this. Like I don't expect Lovable to give me all the answers and just give me a product in one day. the products take time, and I will keep you guys updated on the YouTube community thing. You can even put posts. So what I'll do is I'll create this, I'll post it there, or on my Instagram of what I create and what final creation is there. It's just super interesting. I will edit this video tomorrow, and so that you guys can see it and follow my journey along. But this was super interesting. I'm excited about something generally after a while. So I'm genuinely excited about something after so long. So this is very interesting, and I'm excited to code as well. After so long, it was literally last year when I properly sat down and coded like this Shaun the Sheep game, which I tell everyone about. But we'll see, and would like to see how this ends up. And let me know if anybody would want to, you know, use it. Like I can, once I'm done, I can actually share it on GitHub, and you guys can just take it from there. Okay, bye.